Minecraft, but in real life. Look, tree. Wood acquired. Crafting table. Weapon. Look, stone. Stone acquired. Crafting. Super weapon. Digging underground. Look, zombie. Look, zombies now. Look, zombie has diamond. Zombie has brand new weapon. Look, guys, it's water. Wait. Look, guys, it's lava. I'm gonna put water. Oh, another right. In the portal. Let's go inside. Look, guys, it's a blaze. We got blaze rods. Another portal again. Look, it's Enderman. Look, Enderman wrapped in their eye. Crafting table. Look, Ender pear is flying. I found it. It's time to dig. I'm now here. I have to go to this maze. I can't find it. I'm just gonna use this TNT. It's now fixed. Look, I found another dimension. Woo! Wow! Look, I found dragon. It's flying away. It's now flying. It's coming back. I have to hit him with my sword. He is now dead. I have to put TNT. Look, it's now done. I win, guys. I get the ender portal. I know. I get my egg from the dinosaurs. I win.